Tonight, neighbors are raising questions about another deadly shooting involving Indianapolis Metro police officers.
Last night, IMPD shot and killed a man armed with a machete who was having a mental health crisis. Police responded to the home on Woodland Drive on the northwest side. Video shows 40-year-old Kendall Gilbert waving a machete and shouting threats at police. After a few hours and after police used multiple non-lethal rounds, that suspect was shot and killed by police. Officers say Gilbert posed a threat to officers. Many in the community are questioning if the incident had to turn deadly. It was just one of the topics residents brought up during a community town hall earlier tonight.
Yeah, included in the discussion was the August 3rd shooting death of 49-year-old Gary Harrell. Body camera video shows an officer shooting Harrell in the back after IMPD says he ran away with a gun during a traffic stop. The shooting led to a call to action among some in the community, and they're asking for IMPD to make changes and be more transparent.
CBS 4's Max Lewis joins us now in the studio after attending that town hall meeting. Max.
Bob and Debbie, the focus of tonight's town hall was supposed to be that fatal police shooting of Gary Harrell that you mentioned that happened earlier this month. However, last night's fatal shooting of that mentally disturbed man with a machete was top of mind for just about everyone. IMPD leadership started off tonight's town hall addressing the deadly shooting of 40-year-old Kendall Gilbert last night. Gilbert was going through a mental health crisis, holding a machete and making threats when he was shot by an IMPD officer after a standoff.
Obviously, nobody wanted this outcome. Nobody wanted this outcome. Police officers, the family.
Deputy Chief Kendall Adams said he spoke with Gilbert's family, who told him they've been dealing with Gilbert's mental health issues for years, and acknowledged that IMPD isn't equipped to deal with that.
You are exactly right. Police are not the answer. But unfortunately, in our community, in our world, in our country, we've come to rely on police for everything.
The deadly shooting of Gilbert and the shooting of Gary Harrell are quite different. Harrell was running away, holding a gun during a traffic stop, and was shot in the back. Regardless of the differences, the questions and frustrations from the community are the same.
Why are we losing so many black men?
There's no justification for shooting a person, anyone, in the back.
The main focus of the community's questions came down to de-escalation and dealing with mental health, some suggesting having more mental health officials respond when it's that type of call. Some also said the blame shouldn't be on the officers themselves.
We really need to look at the policy that they're following. That's where it starts.
For their part, IMPD laid out its processes and policies in dealing with these deadly run-ins and admitted that improvements could be made. But for many, questions and confusion still remain.
You all keep saying, we need to trust the process, look at the process, here's our process. And I'm not really sure you haven't given us a reason why we should trust the process.
Now, Deputy Chief Adams told the crowd that he would look into some suggestions about increasing mental health staffing and other de-escalation tactics. He stressed that it is still very early on into the investigation into what happened last night. Now, as for the shooting of Gary Harrell, a representative for the prosecutor's office said IMPD has sent that case to their office for a final charging decision. In the studio, I'm Max Lewis, CBS 4 News.